All right. Hello, everyone, and viewers, subscribers, new people, whatnot, whatever it may be. Well, there's certain things that you just can't fix. And this is going to be one of those prime examples of something that you just can't fix. This came in, not came in, this had a blown LED, status LED, which, sometimes happens. The LEDs fail. But as I was pulling this board out to replace that LED, something massive came about that makes this completely not feasible to repair. Really, it's not. The first thing that I noticed when I took the board out is I had these little spots, these little perfect little round circles on the transistors. And, well, these little round circles just happen to be places where the heatsink has been drilled out. A little round circle there, a little round circle there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this strip off. This is the output section, rectifiers, power supply. Now, this has never been repaired. Well, it's never been into a repair facility, I don't believe. I do believe this was new from the factory. Let's just see what we got going on here. My camera may or may not want to really like to focus in on this, but let's just pull this thing off. I'm going to pull it off and I'm going to kick it down off to the side here. I'm going to try not to get thermal paste all over my camera. My fantastic Canon R50V here. Best thing I ever did for video content was upgrade my camera. Oh, thermal paste everywhere. And what do we have going on here? Wow. Just wow. Got metal shavings right there. That was directly underneath a transistor when it was mounted. Oh, look at all these holes. Look at all these holes that are punched. That hole is punched right behind the transistor. None of these, oh, there's a hole there. Oh, there's a hole there. Look, there's a hole about an eighth of an inch, a quarter of an inch apart. This heatsink has been drilled. There's a hole there, and there's a hole there. Look at that, right behind, oh, an output transistor. Look, another hole right behind an output transistor. Another, well, that's a good hole. Oh, but another hole behind the output transistor. Really odd. As I get thermal paste all over my paint, over my pen. And it's on the other side also, guys. This thing has either been, the board has been out. So, just a complete assumption. It was put together, blew up on one of the few that they test coming off the line, blew up. They took it apart, fixed the repair, the board that blew up, just based on the soldering that has been done, excuse me, on the board. Well, what they did is they put the board back in, but I think they put it in the wrong direction. And then they decided, oh, well, we're just going to re-tap new holes. Not thinking about the holes that they left behind. Well, one of these holes, the rectifier, was touching the heatsink from that hole. So, yeah, well, short story is that LED that literally runs off your rail voltage, well, probably got shorted to ground. Something because that rectifier was definitely shorted to ground. To the case. I shouldn't say ground. To the case. Even though the case is grounded. So yeah, there it is, guys. QAQC. There is just no such thing as QAQC anymore in this world. This is just one of my findings that I found on an amp, which makes this thing 100% a paperweight or something that's going to hold down your garbage can in the heavy windstorms that we get here in central Washington. So thanks, guys. I just wanted to show you that some things don't come from the manufacturer the way they should. So QAQC, guys, is absolutely important. And you know, that's what keeps customers coming back. Well, thanks, guys. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you on the next one.